What if I told you two people could buy the exact same life insurance policy, yet one pays almost twice as much simply because they waited? That's exactly why whole life insurance surprises so many buyers. At first glance, whole life insurance looks expensive, but once you understand what you're actually buying, the numbers begin to make sense. Unlike term life insurance, whole life isn't designed for just 20 or 30 years. It's designed to last your entire lifetime. And because that protection lasts forever, the insurance company has to price it very differently. One of the biggest factors behind that price is your age when you buy the policy. The younger you are when you apply, the lower your level premium usually becomes. Wait another 10 or 20 years, and that same policy could cost dramatically more. But why does age make such a huge difference? Because insurance companies don't just think about today. They're calculating the next 40, 50, or even 60 years. The older you are, the fewer years the insurance company has to collect premiums before eventually paying a claim. So how exactly do insurance companies calculate these costs? And why does whole life always seem more expensive than term life? Let's break it down. So, how do insurance companies actually decide what your whole life policy will cost? They start by looking at your age, then your health, and finally, how long they'll likely be responsible for covering you. Unlike term insurance, whole life isn't built around a fixed expiration date. It's designed to stay with you for life. That means the insurance company has to prepare for a claim that could happen decades from now, no matter how long you live. That's why buying younger often results in much lower lifetime premiums. The insurer has many more years to collect payments. Now imagine buying that exact same policy at age 55 instead. The insurance company now has fewer years to collect premiums, while the chances of paying a claim much sooner become significantly higher. But age isn't working alone. Your health classification can completely change the final price. A healthy applicant may qualify for preferred rates, while someone with medical conditions could pay much more, even if they're exactly the same age. Conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, tobacco use, and other health concerns become more common as we age, making the age effect even stronger. So if age and health explain part of the price, what makes whole life so much more expensive than term insurance? The answer isn't just lifetime coverage, it's also something most buyers completely overlook: cash value, guaranteed benefits, and how your premium is designed from day one. So now we know why age affects whole life insurance. But why is it almost always more expensive than term life? The biggest difference is simple. Term insurance protects you for a specific number of years. Whole life is designed to protect you for the rest of your life. If you outlive your term policy, the insurance company may never have to pay a claim. That's one of the biggest reasons term insurance stays so affordable. But whole life works differently. The insurance company expects that someday your beneficiaries will receive the death benefit. So it has to prepare for that promise from the very beginning. And that's not the only thing you're paying for. Every whole life premium also helps build something called cash value. Think of cash value as money that gradually builds inside your policy over time under the rules of your contract. It's one of the reasons whole life costs more than simple insurance protection. So every payment you make isn't just buying insurance for today. It's helping support lifetime guarantees, policy reserves, and long-term value. That's why comparing only the monthly premium can be misleading. These two policies are built to solve completely different financial goals. If you only need coverage until your mortgage is paid off or your children become financially independent, term life may be the better fit. But if your goal is lifelong protection, estate planning, or leaving a guaranteed legacy, whole life insurance can provide benefits that term insurance simply wasn't designed to deliver. If you'd like personalized guidance and quotes tailored to your needs, visit Quote Maestro today and explore the coverage that's right for you and your family.